So you are interested in BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG. No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 countertop blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 countertop blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG. It was a very close run thing, but we've plumped for the BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG as our runner-up for the best countertop blender. The BLACK+DECKER 10-speed blender is a kitchen classic. With 10 speeds and a pulse control, the operation is simple and efficient. The durable glass 5-cup jar is easy to handle with a perfect pour spout that eliminates drips and spills. It is also easy to pour from and holds several servings of your favorite soups, smoothies, frozen mixers, and more. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher's safe removable parts. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.